Are you tired of saying goodbye to your orchids just when they brighten up your home? If so, you're in luck. Today, we're exploring a selection of stunning orchids that bloom year-round, turning your indoor garden into a haven of everlasting beauty. Let's start with the moth orchid. While not a true year-round bloomer, its long flowering period from winter to spring makes it a favorite for indoor gardeners. With patterned blooms in white, pink, yellow, and purple, this orchid can be your lifelong companion, lasting over 15 years with proper care. Place it on an east-facing windowsill in a humid spot like a bathroom for best results. Known for its sprays of patterned ruffled blooms, Dancing Lady Orchid lights up your space from fall through spring. While it's a bit finicky about humidity and bright filtered sunlight, its reward of vibrant colors is well worth the effort. A humidifier can be your best friend in the winter months. The Lady Slipper Orchid offers unique pouch-shaped blooms that appear prominently in spring and fall. With intermittent flowers throughout the year, it thrives in indirect sunlight and can even tolerate shaded corners. A moisture-retentive potting medium is key to keeping this beauty thriving. Known as the Queen of Orchids, the Cattleya orchid dazzles with its showy, fragrant blooms in white, yellow, red, and purple. Although it mainly flowers in spring and fall, you can pair it with other seasonal bloomers for continuous beauty. Bright, indirect light and high humidity help this orchid shine. The Dendrobium orchid is a versatile choice, blooming multiple times a year through spring, fall, and summer. Native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific, it's easy to care for with regular watering and fertilizing, though both should be reduced in winter during dormancy. Tolumnia orchids bring vibrant blooms to compact spaces like tabletops and shelves. Native to the Caribbean, they flower multiple times a year in various colors and patterns. Place them in a bright, indirect light for best results. Jewel orchids are perfect for adding a touch of elegance year-round with their delicate white flower spikes and ornamental leaves. Unlike most orchids, this terrestrial variety thrives in a well-draining mix with perlite and peat moss and needs weekly watering. The pansy orchid resembles the cheerful garden pansy and blooms from early spring to fall, with sporadic flowers in other seasons. These orchids thrive in humid, misty environments with bright light, making them ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Silagene fimbriata orchids bloom throughout the year, primarily in summer and fall. Native to regions like Nepal and China, they require partial shade, consistent humidity, and a specialized potting mix to thrive. These orchids can be a bit challenging, but are worth the effort for experienced growers. Restrepo orchids offer white stems and papery bracts with flowers that can bloom year-round. Keep their roots moist and provide medium sunlight for consistent growth. Division is the best way to propagate these unique orchids. Epidendrum orchids are resilient and adaptable, producing colorful blooms several times a year. With shades like crimson, lilac, white, yellow, and peach, they love bright sunlight. Keep an eye on leaf color. Darker green indicates insufficient light. Finally, we have the Brassavola orchid, famous for its slender white blooms and gardenia-like fragrance that intensifies at night. This orchid thrives in well-draining potting mix under bright, dappled light and attracts nighttime pollinators like moths. By combining these incredible orchids in your indoor garden, you can enjoy vibrant blooms throughout the year. With a little care and planning, your home can become a paradise of perennial beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments which orchid is your favorite, or share your own orchid growing experiences.